in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another YouTube production from this channel. We today are going to head out in 8203 Delta, which is just there. Me and Lewis actually already gone flying this morning. You can probably go and check that out on his channel, right? Some pilot decision making. Instead, we've decided to pick up another plane, Garrett's plane, 8203 Delta. God, that's loud. So we figured, yeah, we'd go for a quick little flight up to Ocala and back, and then call it a day. So I will see you guys in the airplane.
Colors of the rainbow.
I'll do it again.
Colors of the rainbow. So pretty in the sky.
Why is your headset on the right here?
Because that's where I'm going to fly from.
Are you an instructor?
I'm a certified pilot.
Certified.
Alright, we've pre-flighted and we're just about ready to go. You ready?
Oh, yeah, I'll just get in on the sweaty side.
Paid a lot of money to get out of doing this.
Selfish bastard.
I'll hop across now.
Yeah.
Boys, get it recorded. Alright, do your claps. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3.
Bravo, left turn northwestbound approved, runway 7.
Good rhythm. The variables that. Very good rhythm. Happy with that. Alright, so you're going to give Tower a call. You're going to let him know that... Oh, it's you. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, your controls. Sorry, mate. Can I make the call? Yeah, your biceps are doing that.
November 03 Delta, runway 7, clear for takeoff. Left turn northwestbound is approved.
Runway 7, clear for takeoff. Left turn northwestbound approved. 8203 Delta. 7 on the runway, 7 on the DG coming in, 7 on the magnetic is also coming in. A little bit of wind out that right, let's get that far on. Add that full power slowly. 35, I'm just going to pull it at 70 and let it go. There it is. Back on Flying Creations YouTube channel. You were on it last week. What are you complaining about? No, I'm just saying it's good to be back. Good to be back again? Yeah. Ah, fair enough. Be back, yeah. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified. You're talking about my channel or yours? Yours. Oh. But thanks for bringing mine up. I've also got a channel as well, so... Don't worry, everybody knows about it. It's on your shirt half the time. Not today. That could be your new like intro sound. Yeah. Yours is good though. I like it. I was singing it in the car the other day. Can't remember it now though. How were you singing it in the car the other day? Oh, I was just humming it. Oh, I was gonna say it's like a 10-second clip. Yeah. Yeah, there's not lyrics to it, dickhead. Flight creations, flight creations. Creating memories, one flight at a time. Flight creations, flight creations. Creating memories, one flight at a time. Yeah, God, what spit it out. The fuel pump's down there. Oh! I thought we dropped it out of the plane. The thing is, when you said that earlier, where's the fuel pump in? I was like, I thought you were going to test me on fucking 7-2 Juliet or whatever. Yeah, 6 inches past the firewall. It's stupid. to 1.4 just in case we need it. Is that in the ball in the centre? No, it's slightly left. Right now. Yeah, centred. There you go, you set up. Ah, you're welcome. You're following this needle very well. Oh, thanks. I was just. You didn't identify it though, dickhead. What's that doing?
Go north and coastal waters. Ceilings below 1,000. Visibility below 3 miles. Mid. AirNet Sierra, update 2, valid until 1500 Zulu. IFR conditions for North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland.
Okay, Archer 8203 Delta, 10 miles to the southeast, inbound for a touch and go with Delta.
Archer 8303 Delta, Ocala Tower, and a right base runway 36, reported 2-mile right base.
Enter right base runway 36 and report 2-mile right base, 8203 Delta. This is going to be a close one.
Just 5172 Whiskey, frequency change approved.
November 5172 Whiskey, frequency change approved.
You got him? Yep. Really? Is that far out? Yeah. You sure that's him? Fibus is only 5 miles. Yeah, that'll be him.
03 Delta, say your distance.
We're 4 miles right base, 36, 03 Delta.
Roger, continue. You're following a Skyhawk on the ILS. He's probably about a 3.5 mile follow now.
Alright, we have that traffic plate, 03 Delta.
03 Delta, roger. Number 2 behind that traffic, runway 36, cleared for touch and go. The wind is variable at 4.
Alright, number 2 behind that traffic and we're in 36, cleared touch and go, 03 Delta. Ocala Tower 03 Delta, just so you know we're going to backtrack like down a right downwind for 36 just to follow this traffic.
Roger, I've got you in sight.
Backtrack down a right downwind. Yeah. On the left downdraft for... That's not my joke. That's Anthony's joke. Who needs an ILS? Go around the pappies. See?
Executing up climb out and going to approach. 9 Bravo Charlie. Thanks for use of your runway.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Good day to you.
Archer 03 Delta, say your intentions.
We're going to head back southeast towards Orlando Executive 03 Delta.
Roger, right turn out approved.
Right turn out approved, thanks for the help, 03 Delta. Right, get off, my controls. Your controls. Alright, well, thanks for joining this quick leg to Ocala. Lewis is going to take the return leg back to Orlando. It's probably, you know... You were going to talk shit then, weren't you? Yeah. You were gonna say, yeah. I was going to say a lot of shit. Yeah. But you don't deserve it. That's the thing, hence why I didn't. You don't deserve the shit. Thanks, mate. You're welcome. Let's get that on camera, have a nice romantic moment there with holding hands, because we're best mates. And smile. Perfect. Thanks. Brilliant, yeah. Appreciate that. Fantastic. Alright, well, yeah. F*** off.